What's up everyone, welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube paracord community. Today we're gonna create this paracord bracelet using the lake blue Paracord 550 and this silver white paracord also 550. If you want to learn how to create this awesome paracord Christmas ornament, you can do so by checking the cards in the top right corner of this video or check our YouTube channel, and also there you can find this awesome paracord bracelet as well. So that being said, we're gonna start. So we're gonna take this silver paracord 550 and we're gonna find the ends of it and then pull it all the way through, and this is the halfway point of the cord. Now I'm gonna take the Paracord JIG with the buckles, and from this back side we're gonna take it and we're gonna enter the paracord into the buckle. So from here we're gonna take it and make it from the top into the buckle, and then with those two cords through the loop we created. So from here through, and now pull it to make it tight, firm, and now we're gonna pass it to the second end of a bracelet or to the top jig, top buckle. And now from here we're gonna enter from the top into the buckle, pull it to make it tight, and now we're gonna left this like so, and we're gonna take the left strand and we're gonna make it also from the top to the side. And now from here we're gonna take the lake blue and also find the center or a midway point of a cord. Here it is, and then we're gonna make it next to the buckle to the side, and from here we're gonna make it around and through the loop on the right, as you can see here. So pull it, make it tight, cinch it, and continue. So take this end, the left one, pull it, make it tight, and to the side, and secure. So now from here we're gonna slightly pass it to the top, like so. And now we have the bracelet core with the working ends, and we can start our today's project. So we're gonna take the right side cord and make it from the back into the middle, like so, and with this second one or the left one also from the back into the middle. So now with the lake blue we're gonna take it and make it from the back into the middle and then around and through that loop on the right and through, and with the left one also from the back into the middle and then to the left side through the loop on the left. Now pull it to make it tight, cinch it, and continue.